Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these monster fur cookies. Now these are a lot of fun to make and they really look like the fur of a monster. So you definitely want to try this out. It's very simple. All you have to do is keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. So here's what you need to make this recipe. I am using this sugar cookie mix. You can make your own if you'd like. Either way it's fine. You're going to need 1 large egg. Also 1 stick, which is half a cup of melted butter. That is what we're going to need for the cookie part. To make our cookies, I have a large bowl here, and to that I'm going to add our cookie mixture. Next, our stick of butter, and 1 large egg. Now just mix this up. Alright, so when your sugar cookie mix is all mixed together, now we're going to take it and roll it out. I have some plastic wrap on my counter. Now if you have a non-stick surface, that's fine. You can just use that. I'm going to pull my dough out onto there. Flatten it down by hand a little bit. Then I have some more plastic wrap that I'm going to put over top. And I'm going to use a rolling pin and roll it out. Now this way I don't need flour and I also don't dirty up my rolling pin. And when your dough is all about the same thickness all the way through, and I have it about 1/4 inch in thickness, we're just going to take our cookie cutter, and it's just a circle one, and we're going to cut circles out. Now it's time to transfer our cookies onto our baking sheet. I have our oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm just going to take these cookies a little at a time. And the best part about using the plastic wrap is you can actually get under it really good with it. Now just take these, you want to put these in the oven anywhere between 5 and 7 minutes, just until the edges start to brown a little. And the rest of the dough, just roll back up, flatten out, and cut into more cookies. Now it took a lot longer to bake than I was expecting. It took almost 10 minutes for it to get to this nice brown around the edges. Now what we gotta do is let this sit and cool down before we move on to the next step. When your cookies have cooled down, now we're going to move on to the next step, which is making our icing that's going to go on top. Now I have a medium bowl here. I have 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of butter softened at room temperature. I'm going to add in a little bit of powdered sugar. I have about 2 cups here, but I only want to put about 1/2 cup in at a time. And some almond extract. You can use just about any clear extract you like. And we're going to use about 1/2 teaspoon. Let's give that a mix. Now we can add a little bit of water, about a teaspoon to a tablespoon at a time. Now I just remembered I forgot to add the vegetable shortening. Now I use Crisco, but you can use any brand you like. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of that. I should have added it when I added the butter at the very beginning, but it should be okay. It shouldn't affect it too much. Mix that through. Alright, so when that's mixed in, now we can add in some more powdered sugar. I'm going to put in about another cup full. And again, more powdered sugar. Only add about 1 cup at a time because you don't want to put too much in there. And just keep adding the powdered sugar until you reach the consistency you're looking for. Now that we've reached the right consistency, it should be nice stiff peaks and it doesn't fall over. What we're going to do is divide this up, and you can do as many different colors as you like. I'm going to do 3 different colors. So the 3 different colors I'm going to use is blue, green, and orange. Halloween colors, except for the blue, but we're going to do this big bowl orange. Now for this step, we have to just do 1 color at a time because I only have 1 of these tips. This is a 233 Wilton, so Wilton 233 tip, and it has all these little holes on the top, and it's just going to come out like grass. Now that we have our cookie there, now what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze out our frosting. As you can see, it's coming out. We're going to just squeeze out a little bit right on it and then kind of pull up. And it's going to look like fur, monster fur. Does take a little bit getting used to it, how much to squeeze and when to let go. You want to squeeze it when it's all the way up against it and pull out. Not bad. So now we can just take our edible eyeballs and hopefully we'll get them right side up. There we go. We'll do that with all the colors. And now for the green. Hopefully I get better as I do this. It does take a little bit of practice, like I said. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna try one of these I piped out. I did it off camera. I didn't even put any eyeballs on it, but we're gonna try one of these out and see if the monster fur cookies taste good or not. It's good. I love the frosting. It's a good flavor. The cookies were just cooked perfectly. Good. The only thing this is missing is the eyeballs. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these monster fur sugar cookies. It was a lot of fun making these. Very simple to do. It does take a little bit of patience when you're piping on the frosting. You do need a specialized tip, and it's the Wilton 233. I'll put a link in the description below. You can just follow the link and it'll take you to where you can get one if you can't find one in your local stores. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big like. Also, if you're not already subscribed, hit that big red subscribe button. What are you waiting for? You'll get new videos every Sunday with me, but for the whole month of October, you will get a video every single day. So make sure you check back tomorrow for a new video. For right now, check out the videos I have off to the side as well as a Halloween playlist. And until then, I'll see you tomorrow.